No child is born a picky eater. This was the belief that led my mom to start Food-4BigTots, her food blog. She wanted to teach everyone how to make simple, healthy food that also tastes really good. If she could do it, anyone can. I have so many sweet memories of testing food and modeling for the blog. As an aspiring CA student, I challenged myself to redesign the blog. I turned the clunky, static WordPress website into a beautiful, dynamic Flask web app. Do give Food-4BigTots a visit. It is something for everyone. Whether you're a parent trying to deal with a picky eater at home, or if you're just trying to make fluffy pancakes for breakfast. I'm sure you'll love it.